Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on preparation exercises for spins. First we will start from upright spin. Gliding forward on left foot, we're going to count till 3 in open position, then 3 in intermediate position with your leg and arms slightly in, and then 3 in tight scratch spin position. So then we're going to try this on other foot. Open arms and leg, then bring your arms in front, slightly bend your leg, and then pull everything tight together into scratch spin position. We're going to do same backward. Open arms and leg, bring everything in front, and then tight position. Same we're going to do on other foot. Trying to stay on a straight line. Bring in front and then tight. See how she did not control her shoulders at this time and start moving around circle. Let's try one more time and really focus on hips and shoulders alignment, that you can glide on a straight line. That was much better. Now next one will be seat spin. We're going to work on shoot the duck. Gliding forward on the left foot with arms in front, free leg in front, extend, turn out and point your foot, and then we're going to do on other foot. As you see, gliding forward is much easier. So when you master that, then you start going backward. Try to keep straight line, arms in front, leg in front. When you feel like you're in control of your glide, then you go down into shoot the duck and then go up. Don't rush. Make sure that you have that control over your hips and shoulders. See how we're gliding on a circle again instead of a straight line, which means that our hips and shoulders did not align properly first time. Now we're going to try this again, and this time is much better. Very good. Now we're going to do spiral for camel spin. I'm going to go into plie for 3 counts and then back into spiral. Try to keep your free leg above hip level, especially when you go into plie. Do not drop that free leg. Keep your back arched, keep your arms to the side, and then we will try other foot. Again, gliding forward and then go all the way up and straight. Now we will try backward, starting from 1 foot glide, making sure you're going on a straight line, align your shoulders and hips. So we'll bring opposite arm from your skating leg in front to help with alignment. See how her right shoulder start going back and she starts circling. So we'll make sure that your arm in front. So if you're on the left foot, your right arm in front, you line up and then you lift your leg and try to skate on a straight line. Again, second time was much better. And now we're going to try to do this with plie and then go up into spiral again.